Hi, freshmen. So today we're going to quickly walk you through how to set up your EasyBib account. Many of you have used EasyBib in the past, most likely in your middle school, but setting up your account for use at Memorial is just a little bit different, and actually it's going to be a little bit easier for you to use. So the first thing you want to do is go to easybib.com. From here, you want to go and click on the Login button. Once you've logged in, you want to then click on Sign In with EasyBib EDU. And from here, you want to click Login with Google. And then if you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll have to do that and then allow access to your Google account. Once you've logged in with your Google account, then you need to enter the coupon code. Make sure you keep the capitalization correct. And then it's going to ask you to register. So go ahead and fill out your information. Make sure that when you give your password that it is your password for your Google account. Hit save. And you know you've successfully signed in when you see next to your name that orange Pro icon. That means you are in the education account and have all of the tools that come with the Education EasyBib account. To start a new project, and we're going to get your bibliography set up today for your immigration project, you simply click on a new project, type the name of your project. You can choose a subject if you want to, or you can leave it blank. You want the style, default style to be MLA 8, that's correct. And then I always suggest clicking this, don't recommend my sources to others, because then it keeps your bibliography private. Hit create, and now you'll see it shows up at the top of your list of projects. In order to add something to your bibliography, you need to click on bibliography. And here you have all the different options. You can add a website, a book, etc. If you click on all 59 options, there are a lot of different options that show up, and there are a couple on here that you're going to be using for your project. The first one is right here, the interview. So you're going to want to click on this in order to input the information for the personal interview that you did with a member of your family. So you would click that it's a personal interview, title it whatever you want to call it if it was with your grandma, so interview with grandma, the date that you did it, the method that you did it by, and then you are the interviewer, and then you want to add another contributor. You want to add who the interviewee was. If you happen to interview 2 people, then you should have 2 interviewees there. And when you're all done, you hit create citation, and that will show up in your bibliography. Another of the options under all 59 options that you're going to be using is this one here, write or paste citation. If we click on this one, it just opens up a place for us to simply paste one of the citations that may be done for you on a database. And for this project specifically, what you get if you find something on Ancestry.com, you will be putting in this method, this copy and paste method. If you ever need to get back to your projects, just hover over your name and click on My Projects, and then it will bring you back to all of the different projects you have, the bibliographies you have. Here is an example of a bibliography for the immigration project. And I believe this is the sample bibliography that you have in your immigration packet. And if you have any questions, we are here to help. Please make sure you ask.